girls. Hey, how is everybody doing? It's Odette here. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. I know I haven't been on the YT for a long time, not because I don't have any content for you guys. It's just because I have other things going on. And as a matter of fact, I think it was close to 4,000 watch time hours, but then I don't know what's happening to my channel. All of the hours were disappeared and it was down to 1,966 or something like that. I have no idea what's going on. And I thought, you know what? I am not going to waste my time and my energy fussing with YouTube. I mean, I've tried to reach out. Nobody's writing me back. And I'm thinking, do you think I am going to waste my time worried about 4,000 watch time hours to get some ads on my videos? Absolutely not. There are more important things in life than to be worried about that, okay? Because if I have to be worried about and wait for that $100 threshold from YouTube, I would be drinking mud water and eating dirt. So I thought, you know what, like, to hell with it. So I'm just on to other things. So it's more to life than just that. I mean, I'm not one of those people who's a YouTube junkie and, you know, I had to get these videos out and all of that. No, there is more to life, okay? And I have been reading this amazing book that I want to share with you guys because I've been doing a lot of reading as well. This is a lovely book right here. And I'll tell you something. I've read this book like 3 or 4 times. This book is amazing. This is by Joyce Meyer. And this is called Living Free from Comparison and the Need to Please. Authentically, Uniquely You. I'm going to tell you guys, you got to get this book. You've got to get this book and you got to read, because sometimes you do need that gentle reminder that God is the ruler of all things. He is the ruler of our lives. Put God first, and all about prayers and giving thanks to God and counting your blessings and all of these wonderful things. This is an amazing book. And I am always going to keep this book as a guide to help me through, because sometimes, you know, you need a little gentle reminder that, you know what, life is important. It's not about your age. We all have to age and pass on from this life eventually. But while we're here, we are unique people. We are individual people. And it's very important that we live a very authentic, uniquely you life. Okay, so this book is wonderful. Please pick it up. And I am getting ready to plan my life for 2023. Yes, ma'am, I am. So I picked up my 2023 agenda, diary, planner, whatever you want to call it. This is from Amazon. And here it is. I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys just in case you want to pick it up. And you know what? Nothing's wrong in planning your life ahead. I have never actually done that before. And so I have manifested things for my life. I have visualized things for my life. I have dreamt about things for my life. And I'm going to write everything in my book. And I'm just going to see if all of my manifestations are going to come through with the help of God. I'm going to put God first before everything else. So here it is. And this is my book. Looks a little bit raggy because I've been reading it. So I take it with me when I'm on the train on my way to work. And at nighttime when I'm laying in bed, I read my book. And it is such a lovely book, guys. You really need to get it. And of course, like I said before, when I find the link, if and when I find the link for this beautiful book, it's going to be down in the description box for you guys. And that's it. So I do hope you guys are doing super okay, super wonderful. I am doing extremely well. I'm doing extremely fine, thank God. I am in such a happy, beautiful place in my life. I couldn't have asked for more, but I am just going to pop in again to say hello to you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. These details are going to be down below for you guys, and you be well, and I shall chat soon. Toodles.